Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to book an appointment with a specific service provider, but they were already booked? It can be frustrating, but there's a way to make sure you're the first in line when an appointment becomes available. In this video, I'll show you how to add someone to your waitlist on Vagaro. Vagaro is a popular online booking platform for businesses like salons, spas, and fitness studios. It allows businesses to manage their appointments and clients, and it allows clients to book appointments online. One of the features of Vagaro is the ability to add clients to a waitlist. This is a great way to ensure that you're the first in line when an appointment becomes available. How to add someone to your waitlist on Vagaro. To add someone to your waitlist on Vagaro, you'll need to log in to your Vagaro account. Once you're logged in, click on the Clients tab. Then, click on the Add Client button. Enter the client's information, including their name, email address, and phone number. Once you've entered the client's information, click on the Add button. The client will now be added to your waitlist. How to manage your waitlist. Once you've added someone to your waitlist, you can manage their information by clicking on the Waitlist tab. From here, you can view the client's information, edit their information, or delete them from the waitlist. You can also set a priority for each client. This will determine the order in which clients will be notified when an appointment becomes available. How to notify clients when an appointment becomes available. When an appointment becomes available, Vagaro will automatically notify the clients on the waitlist. You can also manually notify clients by clicking on the Notify Waitlist button. Tips for using the waitlist. Here are a few tips for using the waitlist. Make sure that your waitlist is up to date. This will help you ensure that you're notifying the correct clients when an appointment becomes available. Set a priority for each client. This will help you determine the order in which clients will be notified when an appointment becomes available. Keep in touch with your clients on the waitlist. Let them know that you're thinking of them and that you'll contact them as soon as an appointment becomes available. Use the waitlist to build relationships with potential clients. You can use this as an opportunity to introduce yourself and your business. Adding someone to your waitlist on Vagaro is a great way to ensure that you're the first in line when an appointment becomes available. It's also a great way to build relationships with potential clients. By following the tips in this video, you can make the most of the waitlist feature. If you have any questions about how to add someone to your waitlist on Vagaro, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to use Vagaro.